So I've been up for a little bit and cleaning off my car. And here's all I've got done. It's been about an hour for just this little patch. And of course the top of the car. Alright. So I just got done clearing my car out and oh my god, my face is so red and I'm so sweaty. And the puppy, I had to let the puppy out too. I've only been at it since 10:30 this morning. And it is now 2 o'clock. So that's like 5 hours worth of shoveling. My back is fucking killing me. I am definitely going to be taking a muscle relaxer later. So, just wanted to finish up my vlog from earlier. Well, my video from earlier. So this is wrapping that too. Showing you how much we got. You can see it out there. That's the pile that's in front of my house. That's about 10 foot high. It's craziness. Just too much snow. Alright, peoples. I will see you on Monday, I think. As the dog's tail hits my camera. Alright. This is just not a successful video. I'll see you all on Monday. Bye.